now we have the menu at the top, and we can fix the wrapper, because here we have the content and it's limited in width, and then we have some gradient here. It looks like a radial gradient in some way. Here we have some line that shouldn't be there. It's probably something that is semi-transparent. Yeah. Okay, so I consider that as an error in the design. So let's take a peek here how we can achieve this. First of all, we need to limit the width of the wrapper. So let's add the wrapper and set a maximum width, max width of maybe 900 pixels or something. And then of course we need to set a margin of auto like that. Now we have that in the middle. Now we can set the background on the page, and that is on the body. I usually place my kind of base elements at the top, so I will add body here. Can I add this at the very top? Yes, I can, because there is nothing in the body that is visible until we reach this width of 900 pixels. So that's not a problem, but still. We need a background here. And now we need a radial gradient. What happened here? Radial gradient. And I think it's more elliptical. Ellipse. And then we have two colors. And the first color is the one in the middle. That is, there's some red. 3, 6A maybe. That's a little bit too light, I think. But let's start with something, and then we can check that one. And the other one, that should be slightly more, a little bit more red in the end. 4. The other two are less, I guess. 4, 4, 8. Save. And this is too light at the end. 4, 4, 6. That was better. But I have another thing, and that is that I want this to push the lighter color a little bit further out. And this 5, I think it's too light. 4, 5, 3, 5, 8. Yeah, I think that's better. But what I would like to do is that I would like to push this one to 40% maybe. Save. And then I want it to kind of go to the darker color at 80%. Now we can see when we scroll here, we have this pushed a little bit further out. And yeah, this is probably good enough by just eyeballing. We'll maybe come back to that later. It feels like it's more. No, but then yeah, okay. Let's leave it like that. Okay. Now we have fixed also the wrapper and the body.